So, Integration Manager is the way that you can transport the data from any API to your application. So, let's start by adding the API URL. This is the API we will be using. It's an API will return an array of objects for news. Next, you can set the auth type if needed. Next is response syntax. There's an array of symbol data or a single object or an array of objects in our case. And the auth key and the value if needed. The request method, get. The request method, get. The main path, depend on your response. In our case, our array will be inside the data key. And for example, if there is more, you can add dot and then the key name. And then dot, and so on. And last, response type has to be application JSON. Let's submit. Now we need a model to transport the data. Set model. Here you can create a new model or choose a model you have already created. As well, here you can see the response from the API. Let's add a new model. We'll name it news. Let's add field. For example, we will add the ID and the title. The path has to be the key name. You have to set one of your fields as a primary so the API can rely on it. So, in the next time when you resync your data, the API will not repeat the data. Instead, he will update the exist data and then add the new lines. Set the ID as a primary, and then add a new field. Title. The type will be string. Let's submit. You can see above the model that we just created and with the field. So first, let's check if it's ready. Now we just click on synchronize. Let's check the news. Now, for example, let's say we want to add the summary. Let's go to Smart Designer. Let's add a multi-line field. Let's head back to the integration. And then let's add a field. Choose from existing field. Choose the summary. Add the path. Click add. And then let's resync. Let's check the news.